गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप एवरीवन इज़ फाइन. टुडे आई एम हियर टू revise one of the important accounting chapter in accounts 1, redemption of debentures, as there are few amendments. और इस amendments से related there is every possibility that problem may be asked. However, the entire chapter has not been revised. The only amendment that has been done is as regards to क्रिएशन ऑफ डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन रिजर्व. तो मैं अमेंडमेंट ये मॉड्यूल में से कवर कर रहा हूँ. पेज नंबर 8.7 अगर आप देखोगे तो दिस इज़ 8.7. तो क्या क्या अमेंडमेंट है वो अपन देखेंगे. अर्लियर देयर वाज कंपनीज रूल 2014. नाउ इट इज़ कंपनीज अमेंडमेंट रूल 2019. Now, how the section goes is, as per Rule 18(7) of the Companies Amendment Rule 2019, the company shall comply with the requirement with regards to debenture redemption reserve, an investment or deposit of sum in respect of debenture maturing during the year ending 31st March of next year, that is during the year. That means that two changes that has been done. One is as regards to creation of DRR, and the second one is as regards to investment which you are supposed to make by companies who have issued the debentures. Now what it says, the debenture redemption reserve shall be created out of the profit of the company available for payment of dividend. That is nothing but it should be from free reserves. The limit with respect to adequacy of DRR, investment or deposit as the case may be shall be as under. Now what are the changes that has been done, we'll see to it. और इसके साथ साथ अर्लियर क्या था, अर्लियर प्रोविजंस क्या थे वो भी देखेंगे. तो एज फार एज फर्स्ट वन इज कंसर्न, नाउ व्हाट इट सेज, द डिबेंचर इश्यूड बाय ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन रेगुलेटेड बाय RBI ऑफ इंडिया एंड बैंकिंग कंपनीज. तो प्रोविजंस क्या बोलता है कि अगर डिबेंचर्स ये पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज ने इशू की है, इन कंपनीज ने इशू की है, AIFI दैट इज ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड बैंकिंग कंपनीज, इन लोगों ने अगर डिबेंचर्स इशू किए तो दे आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू क्रिएट एनी DRR. अर्लियर प्रोविजंस वाज सेम. अर्लियर भी यही बोला गया था कि अगर ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन ने कोई डिबेंचर इशू किए तो दे आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू क्रिएट एनी DRR. तो एज फार एज दिस कंपनीज आर कंसर्न, देर आर नो चेंज. अर्लियर ऑल्सो दे वर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू क्रिएट एनी DRR. As per Companies Amendment Rule 2019, still they don't have to require any creation of DRR. सेकेंड अगर रिफर करते अदर फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन, तो इनके बारे में बोला गया है कि इनको DRR विल बी एज एप्लीकेबल टू NBFC रजिस्टर्ड विद RBI एज पर 3 बिलो, दैट मीन्स ईयर. यहाँ पे बोला है कि अदर फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन उतना DRR क्रिएट करेंगे जितना NBFCs रजिस्टर्ड विद RBI क्रिएट करेंगे. और यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है, एज पर 3 बिलो. और 3 बिलो में क्या बोला गया है कि ऑल लिस्टेड NBFCs registered with RBI and listed housing financial companies registered with नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक, इन लोगों को भी DRR क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इन शॉर्ट, अदर फिनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन इज ऑल्सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू क्रिएट अ DRR. नाउ अबाउट अदर लिस्टेड कंपनीज के बारे में क्या बोला गया है? अदर लिस्टेड कंपनीज आर ऑल्सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू क्रिएट अ DRR. Earlier, they were required to create a DRR at the rate of 25%. They were required to create a DRR at the rate of 25%. Now it says that they don't have to create any DRR. Similarly, अगर आप यहाँ पे रिफ़र करोगे तो ये जो NBFCs है, इन लोगों को भी DRR क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत अब नहीं है. पहले 25% they were required to create. Earlier it was 25%. Now they are not required to create any DRR. Similarly, listed companies, earlier they were required to create 25%. Now they don't require to create any DRR. So, as far as all India financial institutions and banking companies are concerned, there are no changes. Earlier also they were not required to create any DRR. Still they don't have to require any creation of DRR. However, as far as listed companies and NBFCs are concerned, earlier they were required to create DRR at the rate of 25%, but now they don't have to create any DRR. As far as unlisted companies are concerned, अनलिस्टेड NBFCs को भी DRR क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Unlike earlier, they were also required to create DRR at the rate of 25% of the debentures outstanding during the year. Now they don't have to create any DRR. I am talking about unlisted NBFCs. However, अदर अनलिस्टेड कंपनीज के बारे में कुछ और बोला है. अदर अनलिस्टेड कंपनीज के बारे में बोला है कि दे आर रिक्वायर्ड टू क्रिएट अ DRR एट द रेट ऑफ 10% ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर आउटस्टैंडिंग. इन लोगों को पहले 25% DRR क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत थी, जो अब सिर्फ 10% है. यानी ओवरऑल अगर एक व्यू लिया जाए तो इसका सिंपल मीनिंग है कि अर्लियर लिस्टेड कंपनीज, NBFCs, अनलिस्टेड NBFCs, listed NBFCs, they were required to create DRR at the rate of 25% of outstanding debentures. But as per Amendment Rules 2019, these companies such as listed NBFCs, other listed companies, unlisted NBFCs, they don't have to create any DRR. However, other listed companies are required to create a DRR, but at the rate of 10%, unlike earlier 25%. This is change they have made. Further अगर आप देखोगे तो they are talking about DRR investment. Companies are also required to make an investment so that at the time of redemption of debentures, they don't face any liquidity problem. This investment can be sold off, amount can be realized, and it can be paid off to the debenture holders. इसमें भी कुछ changes है. Percentage wise they have not changed, but as far as making of investment by companies, there are certain changes. Earlier section used to say that कि जो भी DRR क्रिएट करेगा वो इन्वेस्टमेंट भी करेगा. तो पहले DRR क्रिएशन की लाइबिलिटी लिस्टेड कंपनीज पे थी, उसमें लिस्टेड NBFCs भी थे, उसके अलावा अनलिस्टेड कंपनीज़ में अनलिस्टेड NBFCs भी थे. So they were required to create a DRR, and at the same time they were required to make an investment. But now the section goes as, I'm going to read the section and then I'm going to explain. Investment of debenture redemption reserve amount. As per Rule 18.7 of the Companies Amendment Rule 2019, following companies, that is all listed NBFCs, all listed housing financial corporations, housing financial companies, other listed companies, these companies are not required to create a DRR. However, these companies are required to make the investment, that is investment at the rate of 15% of the debentures that are going to be matured during the current year. Minimum 15%. They can increase the percentage, but minimum 15% उन्हें investment करना पड़ेगा. इनके अलावा we'll see this कि unlisted companies which are not NBFCs or housing financial companies are also required to make an investment at the rate of 15%. तो unlisted companies को DRR भी create करना है और investment भी करना है, लेकिन बाकी की कंपनीज़ को DRR क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. A rate is 15%. रेट में कोई चेंज नहीं है. Earlier also there was 15%. Now also minimum 15% they are required to make. तो एक ओवरऑल व्यू लिया जाए तो we see that के unlisted companies are required to create a DRR at the rate of 10% of the outstanding debentures, and they are also required to make the investment at the rate of 15% of the debenture amount that are supposed to get matured during the current year. So these were the amendment part. Few amendments है और ये amendments का ध्यान आपको कब रखना है, जब प्रॉब्लम के अंदर DRR का फैक्टर है तब. If there is no DRR factor, then there is no question of creation of DRR. इसको अच्छी तरीके से समझने के लिए we'll solve one of the problem that I am going to do in the next video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, just WhatsApp me. I am going to answer that. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.